Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Rahul Phate's innovation, where the concept of herbs meet modern cosmetology, where the science of cosmetology and beauty are studied at a molecular level, a product based on indigenous research. Gaurangi Sunscreen Lotion. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide based sunscreen with the goodness of methoxycinnamate, which is an organic ester. It is a sun blocking agent that absorbs UVB rays. Oily skin has its own requirement and Gaurangi knows it the best. It mixes with the sebum to provide a matte look to the oily skin while preventing tan. It contains Allantoin, which helps calming and soothing the sensitive areas. It also helps with cell regeneration and gives maximum care for skin which has suffered from abrasions or sunburns. It reduces tan and darkening through Arbutin and Niacinamide. It also helps in reducing dark spots on the skin. Gaurangi is a protective and repairing sunscreen. It also serves as an oil-controlled moisturizer for all types of skin. Order now from the link below in the description. This is Vikrant Oberoi. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.